TikTok, how to add link in bio. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add your TikTok link on bio, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to add your TikTok link on your bio, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application. Once you launch the TikTok app, you want to come to the profile page from the bottom right of the screen. Now you can add a bio by just tapping the add bio option over here. And then in the bio you can simply paste your link. But if you are eligible, let's say you have for 1000 followers, then you should be able to find an option to add a clickable link. So if you go to the edit profile section, you can actually paste your link in bio. That's not a problem at all. But if you have over 1000 followers, you'll find another option somewhere over here known as website. And when you paste your link inside the website, and then when they show up on your bio, the link that shows up will be clickable, versus if you paste the link in the bio section, that link is not going to be clickable if someone else taps on that link. But if you are someone who has 1000 followers and you see the website option, when you paste the link inside that website option, that link is actually going to get clickable. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.